आई वुड से कि ये रीडिंग करने के बाद एक जो खुद में जो कॉन्फिडेंस खत्म हो जाता है, मुझे लग रहा है कि आई एम एबल टू रीबिल्ड दैट कॉन्फिडेंस because of the reading, because of the teacher, because of that positivity which I get after talking to you. So somehow the positivity has increased a lot, and confidence. So I would say it's overall a very, very good experience for me.
Okay, Aarti, one more thing. Do you think that you will be able to start your own practice after since you've completed your course now? So have you already started consulting people professionally, or does it give you confidence?
Ma'am, gradually what I'm following you, that like you said, for 1 or 2 years you do your slow reading for your family, for friends. Once I feel that, okay, now I am able to give consultation to people other and help the society, I'll start then. But for another
Right.
1 year, I would like to practice it on my own.
Right. Thank you so much, Aarti. Congratulations and all the best to you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Yes, Vidhi, hi.
Hi.
So how's your practice going?
See, my practice is going pretty fine. Though I have been doing it from past
Yes.
quite a long
So,
time.
Vidhi, what I would like you to tell everyone is that you've been doing tarot card reading on Rider-Waite, you mentioned, right? So, how
Yes.
after learning the Indian folktale tarot cards, if it has increased your horizon or your understanding of the tarot and the usage of it, and how it has also increased your level of understanding of the client's problem and do deeper readings? Has it done that? If not, then what the blockages that you feel, and if yes, then how it has helped you, how it is different from Rider-Waite, and how it has helped you do better and deeper readings?
Okay, so number one thing is that I was very much fascinated with your Indian folklore tarot deck because it is related to somewhere Vedic astrology, and also I really like the mandala which is over there. Mandala ke andar jo Om likha hua hai na, and the color of
Right.
it. So that was something
5
which was very
elements.
that is something which is very attractive.
Yeah.
But अगर आप normally if you see it in the Rider-Waite, it's very basic. Like you just get to see that blue cover and it becomes very monotonous also.
Right.
And the second thing which I can see is that Rider-Waite is related to somewhere Western astrology, and this is according to a Vedic astrology. So if like I am doing the advanced course also now, so for me it is very easy to relate with the cards with the birth chart. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत easily काम करना बहुत हो जाता है. Third thing is Rider-Waite has very basic images like which anybody can interpret, and वो थोड़ा dark सी images होती हैं. You know how like everybody knows how.
So the
Rider-Waite
illustration you're talking about.
Yes, yes.
So the
Yes.
illustrations
So,
you're saying are more detailed
monotonous.
more detailed in Indian
folklore.
folklore tarot card. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. It is more detailed in Indian folklore tarot card. Like you told that every card has a story. It
Yeah.
happens with the Rider-Waite also. It happens with the Indian folktale also. But with Indian folktale, we are like I am very easily able to relate to it क्योंकि बचपन से वो कहानियाँ सुनी है.
Right.
है ना?
Right.
तो वो जो चलता आ रहा है पैटर्न उसको अब आप अपनी रियल लाइफ से रिलेट करोगे ना तो बहुत अच्छे से रीडिंग आती है. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव नोटिस वन थिंग कि Rider-Waite में अगर आप करते हो ना तो आई एम तो समबडी हु डज इट वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली. मेरा काम ही ऐसे है कि वो 10-10 मिनट में 5-5 मिनट में हो जाता है. और उसके अलावा अगर हम लोग देखें कि जो इंडियन फोकटेल है उसमें अगर मैं करती हूँ तो मेरी एनर्जी इतनी ज्यादा ड्रेन नहीं होती. मतलब आई एम एबल टू डू इट वेरी इजी.
राइट. सो जैसे जो व्हाट यू ट्राइंग टू से इज कि जो आपको टेक्निक सिखाई कि कैसे आपको अपने आप को ग्राउंडेड रखना है जब आप रीडिंग करते हो, आर यू यूजिंग दैट टेक्निक?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and you think it is helping you?
It is helping me a lot. Also, अगर देखी ना तो जो आपने aura cleansing और वो grounding spray दिया हुआ है ना, that is wonderful. It helps me a lot.
Yes. That is true. So the kit in itself is designed in a way कि आपको जब आप टारो करते हो प्रॉपरली तो सारे टूल्स उसके साथ हैं और आपको बाकी बाहर से कोई एक्स्ट्रा चीजें खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं. इट्स अ कंप्लीट किट कि आप अपने आप को भी उसके बाद कैसे एनर्जी क्लेंजिंग करें, कैसे ग्राउंड करें, और जब क्लाइंट भी जाता है तो उसके बाद आप कैसे अपना स्पेस भी क्लीन कर सकते हैं, राइट?
Yes, yes.
So are you able to earn money out of your readings now, Vidhi?
I was able to earn money before also,
Yeah.
but the thing is कि मेरे लिए money becomes secondary. For me,
Okay.
I feel that you know I am able to help people out with the tarot cards. उनको उनके answers मिल जाए सब कुछ हो, because I'm very
Right.
passionate about it.
Right.
तो
Right.
मेरे को वो चीज़ ज़्यादा होती है, and I want my readings to have like पहले अगर 80% accuracy तो I want it to be 90 or 95% accuracy now. तो
Yeah.
वो वाला कहीं ना कहीं मिल रहा है, वो
Okay.
वाला एक्यूरेसी कहीं ना कहीं मिल रहा है.
Okay. Thank you. That's really helpful, Vidhi. I'm sure जो लोग अपने questions जिनके रहते हैं कि how Rider-Waite is different from learning Indian Folktale Tarot, and how it can also, those who are already doing Rider-Waite, how this can actually enhance their understanding and how it can actually deepen their knowledge. So I think your feedback is very important for such people. Thank you, Vidhi. Now, Chitwan, we are coming to you. Please share your feedback about the course and how it has helped you in your life. You've already been doing tarot card readings since you mentioned since class 10th.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how it has helped you now?
But I never used to do it professionally. I always
Okay.
used to do for my friends, my family, and somehow people used to give me, you know, we are really satisfied, your predictions are going right. And that time I was not aware that much with it. I just used to read books of P. Khurana
Yeah.
in tarot reader.
Yeah.
But now when I've learned this course, actually sometimes, you know, I get goosebumps with these cards when it come out in somebody's reading.
Right.
I feel connected, and even, you know, clients also feel connected because everybody is somewhere related to such mythology stories, and
Right.
they just feel that this is a part of our life, and they actually understand the situation, the story behind each and every card.
Right.
So I found these cards as a realistic stories of a life कि वो बिल्कुल अपनी life के पिक्चर, जैसे स्क्रीन प्ले नहीं चलता मूवीज का.
Right. Right.
समटाइम
Right.
आई फील कि ये रीडिंग में स्क्रीन प्ले आ गया है अपने क्लाइंट का, या अपना जब अपन रीड करते हैं, जैसे कार्ड ऑफ द डे अगर मैं पिक करती हूँ,
Right.
तो somewhere I can relate my day will gonna going this way, and
Yeah.
I'm really happy. I'm feeling so good, so worthy about this profession. First we can help, and the dignity and the grace which I've started feeling about myself,
Oh, wow.
it's totally different. The energy which I carry is totally different now. People actually meet and talk and they see me in this end ki we feel so positive after talking to. I think this is the best compliment I can ever get.
Wow. Wow. That's really nice. And are you also able to give them answers to their questions in a way where they are feeling happy after paying you? And also, are you able to give
Yes.
remedies to clients after doing the course?
Yes, yes, I am absolutely giving remedies, but behind that, I take all your help for
Yes.
remedies,
Yes.
absolutely, and they are actually helping. I've started with one person,
Yeah.
but somehow via, I'm getting so many queries.
You will always get my help. That is there forever. So once you
I'm blessed.
do the course, then it's a lifelong connection. It's a community. It's a
Yes.
family. Yeah. So I'm
I'm looking
happy.
for that once.
Nice. Chitwan, I'm happy that you're getting results and people are really appreciating your work. That means you are giving a lot of your energy, time, and focus into it. And Aarti, for you also, I really want you to keep practicing. If you do not follow the small techniques which are taught in the class, like maintaining your journal and following up on the counseling tips, the remedy, how to take out the remedy, and do a proper analysis of the question first, and then you read out the cards to them. So these are the techniques which are going to help you. Like the one question you asked on the group, and everybody gave their own perspective. You got clarity that had this question being asked in this way, this would have been the answer, and now it's been asked in a different way, so now this is the answer, right? So as long as you wish to stay connected on the groups with all the other people, our support is promised, right? It's just that you have to invest your time and energy. Once after you learn it, you have to invest your time and energy into it. Okay.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, guys. That's really helpful. I'm just going to close this call now. This first of all, this recording. Thank you, everyone.